For this smoothie, which I'm going to be calling a tropical smoothie, I'm going to be using more frozen fruits. They're very useful because when making smoothies, you often use ice or frozen ingredients, and they're convenient because they're available year-round when fruits might not be in season and therefore abundant. So let's make this tropical smoothie. I'm starting off by pouring 2 cups, about 475 milliliters of orange juice in my blender jar. This is going to make probably 3 smoothies from the looks of that. And then I have 1 cup of frozen pineapple pieces, chunks. This came to 130 grams when I weighed it. And then I have 1 cup, again 130 grams of frozen mango pieces. And then I have 1 medium banana. This is just starting to come up ripe. Drop that in there. And then I have here 1 cup of plain yogurt. I'm using plain because I'm going to be putting in vanilla flavored protein powder. If you don't want to use protein powder, you can use vanilla flavored yogurt. That 1 cup of yogurt, by the way, weighed in at 250 grams. And then what I have here is 1 scoop, which is 1 ounce by weight, or 28 grams, of vanilla flavored protein powder. And then, because I like to use it when I can, I have some ground flax seed here. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. Give me some extra nutrients. All right, this is ready to blend. I'm going to put my lid on there and then set this to number 1. And then I'm going to start it, go all the way up to high. I'm going to blend this about 50 seconds maybe to make sure that those frozen ingredients are well broken up. If you use a conventional blender that might be damaged by ice, let your frozen ingredients thaw before you blend. Okay. I'm going to taste mine. I'm going to use a iced teaspoon for this time. And taste it just to see if it needs any additional sweetener. I don't think that does. I don't like things too sweet anyways, but if you like things sweet, you could add a packet or 2 of stevia to this. All right, let's pour a glass. And from the looks of this, I'm going to have enough for at least 2 servings later. Look at that beautiful color. Nice light yellow. Okay, and then as I always mention, I keep jars in my refrigerator, clean jars that I can use for leftovers, and these will be servings later. That's 12 ounces there. There's 12 ounces, a little bit more. Nice 2 large servings to enjoy later. All right, I'll put these 2 in the refrigerator, and then I'll drink my glass of tropical smoothie. That is a really nice looking smoothie. One thing I'm learning about as I start inventing my own smoothies is that color is as important as flavor. So I'm trying to think about colors coming together. That is a very nice smoothie. It's got a wonderful flavor. It's a very refreshing flavor, plenty sweet enough. That is a delicious smoothie. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my tropical smoothie.